Understanding Soil pH Trends, an essential guide for beginners. Hello everyone, today, we're diving into an intriguing and essential topic in environmental science and gardening, soil pH trends. Understanding this concept is key for anyone interested in plants, agriculture, or ecology. Let's explore what soil pH is, why it's important, and how it varies over time and place. Soil pH measures the acidity or alkalinity of the soil. It's a crucial factor that affects plant growth, nutrient availability, and soil health. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. A pH below 7 indicates acidity, while a pH above 7 shows alkalinity. Different plants prefer different pH levels, making this a vital factor for successful gardening and farming. Understanding soil pH is essential because it influences nutrient availability. Certain nutrients are more accessible to plants at specific pH levels. Plant health. Some plants thrive in acidic soil, while others prefer alkaline conditions. Soil organisms. The pH affects the microbial life in the soil, which plays a role in nutrient cycling and organic matter decomposition. Soil pH is not static. It can change due to various factors. Natural processes, weathering of rocks and minerals can alter soil pH over time. Human activities, agricultural practices, like the use of fertilizers and lime, can significantly impact soil pH. Environmental changes, acid rain and pollution can lead to soil acidification. For gardeners and farmers, monitoring soil pH is crucial. Simple tests can determine the soil's pH, allowing for adjustments through lime application to increase pH, make soil more alkaline. Sulfur addition to decrease pH, make soil more acidic. Regular monitoring helps maintain optimal pH levels for plant growth. Understanding soil pH trends is essential for anyone interested in the environment, gardening, or agriculture. By recognizing how soil pH affects plant growth and the factors influencing its change, you can make informed decisions to maintain healthy soil. We hope this video has been enlightening and encourages you to explore more about this fascinating aspect of our natural world. Happy gardening!